So we're going to take the old one off. We've got an 8mm there. Normally you'd have an 8mm there, but mine snapped for some reason. And an 8mm there. And 8mm there. And then it's just got clips at top which are holding it, which are quite hard to get off, but we'll see. So off with this one. So that's off. I got a screwdriver, but you don't really need it. Just gotta tug on it, push it down a bit, and it's off. So off with this one. That's what it looks like right now. And there's the new one. So you can tell already how much more aggressive that one is. So yeah, just put that on. See how we do. See, not on properly, and already very, very, very aggressive. I put some alcoholic wipe there, so it will stick better. I had to take these two screws out because that's where it's going to tap into, and we're going to put some 3M tape, and then this is to connect to it, and that's it then. It should be done. So it's going to look a little something like this. So far it's just stuck on, but already looking very nice. So get bolting these little holes we've got to make, and that's it. So made the holes ready and put the 3M tape on, and we'll install it now. All done. So here's my front splitter with the side canard things. Before the canards and the splitter on. And here I've just put it on with some tape and put the box there just in case, to make sure it doesn't fall down. And yeah, it looks awesome. I did forget to record the part where I actually bolted on. I've put self-tappers on this where it had indicated where it should go. I am thinking of putting nuts and bolts instead though one day if I take the bumper off.